Mother India Care celebrated Constitution Day and Foundation Day on the 26th of November 2021 in Bangalore. With a view to mobilize the actions of key road safety stakeholders, the grand event began with the depiction of the Human Map of India as a national action map. The boundary line of the Human Map of India was drawn by the soldiers of the army, and they were accompanied by policemen. Shri Rajendra Kumar Kataria, Principal Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Transport Department, hoisted the Indian flag inside the Human Map of India. Mother India Care Team and Kiara Mittal, National Ambassador for Road Safety, also hoisted flag and started the revolutionary national movement. The main purpose of the national movement is to end road carnage. Gold Wings Aviation, Khivraj Motors, VFM Honda, and many other dignitaries joined the momentous occasion, and all sang the national anthem together in the open ground. After that, the event program was continued inside the hall, and the stage was shared by a panel of distinguished guests. Shri Rajendra Kumar Kataria, Principal Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Transport Department, DCP Videsh Kumar, KSRP, and Shri T.R. Parsuraman, President and whole-time Director of Toyota Industries. The event was anchored by world record holder Dr. Atmajit Kaur. The live streaming was anchored by Dr. Karishma Mani, and the back-end support was handled by CS Megha Sharma and other important pillars of Mother India Care. On this momentous occasion of its 7th Foundation Day, Mother India Care has started a war-level national movement with the DOPE toolkit, consisting of 21 tools, led by majority of women, to end road carnage. The DOPE toolkit is smartly designed and geared to battle with road carnage to achieve the common SMART goal of zero death and no serious road crash injury in India by 2030. The keynote presentation was given by Ms. Kiara Mittal, the National Ambassador for Road Safety, and her speech was the main highlight of the event.
बोलना किसने सिखाया? जब शब्दों का भंवर हमेशा सामने हो, जब शब्दों का भंवर हमेशा सामने हो, तो कलम और पन्नों के बीच में कवि की जिंदगी उलझ सी जाती है। तो इसी संदर्भ के साथ मैं आज की हमारी रोड सेफ्टी एम्बेसडर जो सबसे छोटी है, सिर्फ 8 साल की, कियारा मित्तल को यहाँ पे इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी। वो आपको आज के दिन के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। वेलकम कियारा मित्तल।
Good evening, Bangalore. Greetings to all of you. On behalf of Mother India Care, I would like to welcome all of you today. I hail from Mumbai, and today I am feeling very proud to be a part of this momentous occasion. Today is the day when our historic document of Constitution was adopted that made us the biggest democracy in the world. Hence, we are celebrating Adoption Day of Indian Constitution its 72th anniversary. Today is the day when Mother India Care was registered as Public Charitable Trust. Hence, we are celebrating Inception Day of Mother India Care its 7th anniversary. Today is the day when Mother India Care had constituted and had adopted the Decade of Action Plan 2021 to 2030 on national road safety with a common goal of zero death and no serious injury due to road crash in India by 2030. Its first annual United Road Safety Convention. Today is the day when father of the founder of Mother India Care had died on roadside celebrate World Road Safety Earth Day. Road safety is a shared responsibility of all the road users. Yes, we all know that traffic laws are for our safety and traffic measures are for our benefits. But the road users, they compromise on safety with convenience. If you gamble with safety, you bet your life. Families hardly get time to say goodbye to the road accident victims. Road accident death is a global issue and is more deadly than the pandemic. Together we have to handle it the way we handle COVID-19 in India as well as all over the world. India tops the world in road accident deaths and injuries. But we have to reverse it. Together we can achieve the noble goal of zero death and no serious injury due to road crash in India by 2030. We are in the process of expanding our network of road safety advisors, the change makers, and the navigators to achieve this common smart goal. Our great army protects us on borders, and after the retirement, they protect us on roads. Many retired army men, retired policemen, and individuals have started joining our national network. Let us make a chain of this common smart goal, a chain which links action to achievement. Yes, teamwork makes the dream work. We are gathering each individual action and are expecting to mobilize 1.4 billion actions by 2025. We are counting on each individual action and road users have already started adopting the road safety oath. Adopt the road safety oath. Make others adopt the road safety oath and be a road safety superhero. Be the change maker, be the change. The year is going by, let it go. Bring out the false and bring in the true. Hope to see you all next year on 26th November 2022. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Karen, for your wonderful speech. Thank you.
The Goldwings Aviation team also presented a cultural program consisting of group song, speech, act, and a dance. Awards were presented to a select few and the most coveted award, Watan Ka Heera, was presented to Kiara Mittal. National Gem and Excellence Award was conferred to Dr. Atmajit Kaur, and the Best Police Service and Excellence Award was conferred to DCP Videsh Kumar, and the National Pride and Excellence Award was conferred to CS Megha Sharma, and the National Pride and Excellence Award was conferred to Shri Vijay Shankar Prasad, and the Best Orator and Excellence Award was conferred to Dr. Syed Asad Abbas.
Asad Abbas, Best Orator Excellence Award. Best Orator Excellence Award, Dr. Syed Asad Abbas.
Excuse me, sir.
Dr. Asad Abbas wants to share some few words.
Just 2 words. जो पानी से नहाते हैं वो लिबास बदलते हैं, जो पसीने से नहाते हैं वो इतिहास बदलते हैं। सबसे पहले तो मेरा दिल गार्डन हो गया। रजिंदर पाजी मेरे बड़े भाई हैं, उमेश मेरे बिग ब्रदर हैं, यहाँ पे डीसीपी साहब हैं, इतने जबरदस्त परशुरमन साहब हैं, आत्मजीत कौर जी हैं, बलजीत जी हैं। बट मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं दिल से अपने कुछ कहना चाहूंगा हमारे बहादुर वीरों के लिए, जवानों के लिए। हम सब जो भी हैं वो हैं। ऊपर वाले की मेहरबानी है कि मैं अब तक 200 से ज्यादा अवार्ड जीत चुका हूं, लेकिन आज का जो माहौल है, स्पेशली ऑल ऑफ यू, कुछ कहना चाहूंगा। आपने जो देखी होगी विकी कौशल की एक जबरदस्त पिक्चर उरी, हाउस द जोश, हाउस द जोश, हाउस द जोश। मैं बस ये बता दूं, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा। और सबसे बड़ी ये बात है मेरे भाइयों, मेरे दोस्तों, जो हम सब डॉक्टर हो सकते हैं, इंजीनियर हो सकते हैं, गवर्नमेंट के लिए काम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो आप लोग हो, जो वीर जहान है यहाँ के, आप देश का मान हो, सम्मान हो और भारत की जान हो। और हम यहाँ पर जो भी हैं आपके लिए हैं और आपसे बढ़कर कोई नहीं। The biggest of sacrifice, ladies and gentlemen, undoubtedly those who serve the nation like all of you present here. So my dear friends, with all my heart, I thank you on behalf of Mother India Care. Continue to do your service and excellence. With that, finally, I'd like to say, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। Thank you. Thank you very much. Big cheers for the wonderful army men. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you very much. Signing off, this is MCA Boss. Thank you.
The ceremonial event program culminated with a cake-cutting ceremony. Although the annual event program had come to an end, but its mission and national movement continues. As per the mission, a war-level nationwide movement to end road carnage has started, and this nationwide movement will surely achieve its set goal within a given time frame. The entire team of Mother India Care is expressing gratitude to all the special guests, participants, attendees, volunteers and army men for their support to make this event a grand and memorable. Mother India Care calls for solidarity. Join the national family, join nationwide movement, register your profile in National Action Map, log your action, get your action counted and reflected on National Action Map to end road carnage and be a change maker, be the change. The link to register your profile is provided in the below description box. All for one and one for all. United we win and divided we fall. Thank you.